What's up guys, Jimmy coming to you guys with another video. As you guys saw by the Air Max video, back in the same spot. Today we have a pair of Kobe 5 Protos that came out, I think a while back actually, I want to say like a month ago. These are the Kobe 5 Protos, the PJ Tucker exclusives. What do you guys think about the shoe? Personally for myself, I'm from Houston, so PJ Tucker is the man. He's just been with the team for quite a while, and I just feel like he's so well respected in the sneaker community that, they gave him a Kobe 5 player exclusive that released to the general public. So that just kind of shows you, how he's held, I guess kind of how his name is held in respects to the sneaker community. These next couple reviews are going to be pretty short, pretty simple, straight to the point. No b-roll at the beginning, but getting right to the shoes. Here's the box that they come in. I did a review of the EYBL Kobe 5 Protos that came out 2 to 3 months ago. Came out on Mamba Day, so that was August 24th, so 2 months ago. But they come in a black Nike box. Has the Mamba logo up top, Kobe signature at the bottom. Here's the tag. Kobe 5 Proto colors are particle gray and white, but Nike always kind of like leaves out a lot on these colorways because these shoes are actually pretty crazy. Retail is $180 and these are size 9.5. Unfortunately, I couldn't hit on my size, so the cousin Hin always lacing me up with shoes to review, so shout out to him. And if you guys are interested in these shoes, I believe they're going for quite a bit on StockX, which kind of unfortunately dictates the sneaker resale market, but I think they're going for 400 and up or so definitely on the pricier end, but I can see why, because these are an extremely dope shoe. But here they are. Let me know what you guys think. In hand, I just think they kind of blow the pictures out the water. I remember when PJ Tucker wore them, I was like, damn, like those are clean, and I hope they release to the public. And here we are, have them in hand. Both shoes are the same. It's not like a mismatch or anything like that. One detail that I actually just noticed that's actually really cool, and I'll get into a little bit later, but it's just like the scaling of the shoe is insane. I didn't even notice that detail till now. But starting with the outsole, I guess the whole shoe itself is kind of like this off-white sail color, but your outsole is a sail color with hits of purple and volt, and then you have your carbon fiber shank plate, of course. On the lateral side, you have your swoosh, of course. You have different patterns, different colors going on, right? You have your midsole, which is that off-white color, and that what wraps all the way around. And moving on to the upper, you have a mixture of colors. Like you have this like UNC blue for the toe cap. You have kind of like this like mystic purple. I don't even know what to call it. I know the Kobe 7s had a color that was kind of similar, and it was like the cloak colorway, I believe. So that's what that reminds me of. Has almost like this like invincible type of look to it. Depending on where you shine the light to it, it looks green in some areas, and it looks purple in some areas and green in some areas, just depending on the light. And then you have your swoosh, which has I guess like a bunch of dots. Like I don't know if that's supposed to be like an optical illusion or what, but you have black dots with like a volt shadow underneath those black dots. And then the back of the shoe consists of this red mesh. The lining of the shoe is purple. Another bit, or I guess another like part of the shoe where there's cloth is the back, where there's black cloth. You have a black, I guess, shank or whatever it is. And at the very back of the shoe, of course, you have Kobe signature, and this is just like a black plastic tab that they put in the back for more reinforcement. And then the other shoe is basically the same color scheme. You have volt laces, which looks kind of wild at first, but it honestly ties the shoes together in my opinion. Then your tongue, you have a black Mamba logo, and it's almost like a gray color. It's different from this main portion of the shoe, and I don't see this color anywhere else on the shoe, so the tongue has like this like almost cool gray color to it. And the one thing I was mentioning earlier in the video is the one thing I noticed just now is there's like scaling to the shoe, so it's almost like a reptile, like an actual mamba. They might do this to all the Proto 5s, like I swear that they don't, but this is my first time noticing the scaling pattern that's like kind of throughout the whole shoe. So that's a nice cool little touch of detail that I didn't even notice. I feel like if I was a hooper and I had these shoes to hoop in, I'd be the freshest guy on the court out there. You'd probably distract the players, mess up their defense just with the shoes you have on feet. Kobe 5 Proto, nothing crazy. Dope colorway though. but you know, I'm pretty sure comfort is the same as all the other Proto 5s. Price point, you know, definitely pricier than some of the other ones that have dropped, but like I said, nonetheless, if this is a shoe that you really love and you love Kobe, you happen to love the Rockets and you love PJ Tucker, this is definitely a must-have in your collection. I mean, yeah, and that's gonna wrap the review, guys. So let me know what you guys think. Would you guys cop these? Are they worth the resale price? Are these one of the better Proto 5 colorways to drop? I mean, let me know which one you guys prefer the most that came out this whole year. You know, is it wrong that people are reselling Kobe's to this day? Like, it's still questionable, you know, like I get that, you know, if people can resell something, they're gonna resell something, you know, but ultimately that's up to them. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the shoes down below in the comments. That's gonna wrap up the review for now, and probably the next video you guys see after this, I won't be in this corner anymore. We'll be back at the usual spots. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.